Caesar cipher is one of the most ancient ciphers and existed for a long while during the Roman conquest and empire because the, the fundamental problem was that not many people could actually read back in the day. So the Caesar cipher is what we refer to as a substitution cipher, where you have a key, and that key is any value between 1 and 26, and it defines how many positions we're actually going to shift a particular letter by. So if we take an example here from this, if we want to encrypt the letter A, and our substitution is we've been given the letter D, we can see that our encryption therefore is A to B, B to C, C to D. So our shift, or our key, is the value of 3. So let's go forward with that and let's build up an actual example and do one that we can kind of see. So let's say I want to take the word hello, and I'm going to encrypt it using an encryption key of 3. So plus 3 to each of these. So H will become H to I to J to K. E will go to F to G to H. L will go to M to N to O, and again, and then O will go O to P to Q to R. So our final message that we would have sent would be KHOOR. Now you can do your substitutions either as negative or positive values. Most likely you just do them as a positive value. And this would be, when received by somebody, would be obviously a load of gibberish and wouldn't make any great deal of sense. Now, the problem with the Caesar cipher, though, is that by performing some very simple frequency analysis, you actually are able to quite quickly pick apart and find it extremely easy to break. Well, for starters, you only have to go through 25 combinations to actually work out every possibility. And at which point the code would be readable and then would be very easy to crack. Another thing would be that you could apply a frequency analysis distribution across the letters themselves, because we know that letters like vowels, like A, E, I, O, U, are going to be used more frequently than consonants like X and Z. And if we apply that to a longer piece of text, what we will then see is that that piece of text will show a certain frequency for different values that we've encrypted. So the Caesar cipher is a really nice basic cipher to have a go at programming and do. It is a weak form of encryption though, and would not be very good for securing things like financial details in the modern day age.